Fanatic here. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now today I'm over here at Hobby Lobby and I'm going to go inside and see what they have for Easter and their spring decor. Now I did find something online that I want to purchase. It's a pitcher that has some roosters. Now this does match my salt and pepper shakers, so I hope they have it in the store. And then I want to look for some spring flowers. So let's go ahead inside and see what I can find. share with you guys what I found shopping today. Now, their Easter decor was not on sale, but their spring shop was 40% off, and then any of their floral and greenery, that was 50% off. So I want to share with you guys what I picked up. I did get some lamb's ears, and I picked up 4 of these. So these were priced at $5.99, so I got those for $3 each. I am going to be making a flower arrangement. And then this was not part of the sale. The cotton, this was regular price at $15.99, but I did use my 40% off coupon. And then to add a little color, I picked up lavender. And these were priced at $3.99, so I got those for $2. And then over at their spring shop, I picked up, I thought these were really cute, these dish towels. They say live simply, and they have the cotton on it, so I thought that would look cute once I make my arrangement for my table. And these are going to go on my oven, and they'll hang from my oven door. So with this in mind for spring, it is so hot in Florida. We don't have much of a winter here. Now, like today, it was 85 degrees out, and to me, it was hot. So it's kind of hard for me not to want to start decorating for spring. So I'm trying to hold off, and maybe I'll wait till the first week of March, and then I'll start putting out some spring decor. But like I said, it's so hot in Florida that it makes you want to start, you know, once we get past, you know, well, not even October, October's hot. More like December and January. January, I think, is our coldest month. So once we get past January into February, it's like it starts to get hot. Then I'm like, okay, then I feel like I'm ready to start decorating for spring. But I know everybody else is getting snow and freezing cold temperatures. Anyway, sometimes I wish I would just take a little vacation because I really want to go see snow. And maybe sometime, you know, one of these years I'll go up and see snow. But anyways, from the spring collection, I picked up this pitcher. It's a little rooster, and this is what I'm going to use for my table here. And I'm going to show you guys how to make a floral arrangement. So guys, before you get started, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to snip off all the tags from my greenery. And then after I do that, I'm going to take some leftover styrofoam that I had from my last project. Now I'm going to put it inside here so it covers up the bottom. And then this is what, that'll hold these stems on. But what I'm going to do before I cut these, I want to play around with this and see how tall I want it first before I cut it. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and we'll see how it turns out. Hey guys, I'm all finished with my arrangement, and I must say I am super happy the way it turned out. Now this was very easy to do, and it didn't take a lot of time. All you do is place in the lamb's ear, and you can put some like towards the back and the side and the front, add some cotton, and then just give it a little height like I did with the lavender. I went ahead and hung my dish towels, and I must say that I absolutely love them and think they go really well with the color of my cabinets. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all in my next video. And until next time, happy decorating.